Are you looking for the best laser levels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best laser levels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level. The PREXISO Multi-Surface Laser Level is a versatile and compact tool designed for home DIY and renovation projects. It features a simple one-switch operation that projects 3 laser lines, horizontal and vertical, up to 30 feet, allowing for precise alignment when hanging frames, mounting shelves, or performing other surface layout tasks. The built-in angle dial, 15 to 75 degrees, and LED-lit bubble vials make it easier to read measurements in dimly lit spaces, while the bonus wall mount base offers 3 fixing options, 2 pins for rough surfaces, 10 self-adhesive strips for smooth surfaces, and pinholes for any surface. With its 90 degrees laser line projection, Class 2 laser safety rating, less than 1 milliwatt, and compact design, the PREXISO laser level ensures accurate leveling and alignment for woodworking, stair-starting boards, molding, tile installation, or any project requiring precise angles. Powered by 2 AA batteries, it provides a practical, reliable solution for homeowners looking to simplify and improve their indoor alignment tasks. Number 2. IKOVWUK Laser Level. The IKOVWUK 3x360 degrees laser level is a powerful tool designed for full room layout and precise alignment tasks, featuring 1 360 degrees horizontal and 2 360 degrees vertical laser planes that cover the entire space. It includes a remote control with a 16-foot range, allowing easy adjustments of laser lines without returning to the device. The unit is powered by a 5,200 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 8 hours of operation, and offers both self-leveling mode, automatic leveling within plus or minus 3 degrees, and manual mode for angled placements. Additional features include a pulse mode for use with detectors in outdoor or long-range applications and adjustable laser brightness for varying environments. Constructed from durable ABS plus TPU materials, the laser level comes with a comprehensive set of accessories, including a charger, L-shaped magnetic bracket, metal sheet, laser target plate, remote control, user manual, and a portable storage bag, making it ideal for construction, picture hanging, and other precise indoor or outdoor alignment projects. Number 3. BOSCH GLL 50-2050 feet Self-Line Laser. The BOSCH GLL 5020 50 feet self-leveling crossline laser is a compact and durable tool designed for precise indoor layout tasks. It projects bright, thin horizontal and vertical lines that self-level using a smart pendulum system, with an accuracy of plus or minus 5/16 inch at 30 feet, and indicates out-of-level conditions by blinking while locking the pendulum for safe transport. The unit is powered by 2 AA batteries, included, or Bosch's 3.7V lithium-ion 1.0 Ah battery, sold separately, for flexible operation and reduced downtime. Built to withstand tough job site conditions, it carries an IP55 rating for dust and water resistance. Its integrated magnetic mount and 1/420 tripod compatibility provide versatile mounting options, while the ergonomic, lightweight design, for 0.1 x 2.5, ensures easy handling and storage. Ideal for hanging pictures, aligning shelves, installing cabinets, and other indoor construction or renovation projects, the BOSCH GLL 5020 offers reliable performance and convenience for homeowners and professionals alike. Number 4. Huepar Laser Level. The Huepar M9011G is a 100 feet self-leveling green crossline laser designed for indoor use, ideal for tasks like picture hanging, wall tiling, decoration, and DIY construction. It offers 2 operation modes, manual mode when the pendulum is locked for projecting angled lines, and self-leveling mode when unlocked, automatically leveling within plus or minus 4 degrees and flashing if out of range. The green laser provides up to twice the brightness of traditional red lasers, enhancing visibility in well-lit conditions, and delivers high accuracy of plus or minus 1/9 inch at 33 feet with a wide 110 degrees field coverage. Compact and rugged, With a soft grip and drop resistance of up to 47.2 inches, it is designed for portability and durability on job sites. The kit includes a 360 degrees magnetic rotating base, 2 AA batteries, a carry bag, and a user manual, making it user-friendly and ready for immediate use, with 24-month support for customer satisfaction. Number 5. Leveling Laser Level. The Motavara LLT2 100 feet self-leveling green crossline laser level is a versatile tool suitable for both indoor and light outdoor use, projecting 110 degrees horizontal and vertical green laser lines with a range of up to 100 feet. It features 4 adjustable brightness levels, making the green laser up to 4 times more visible than standard red lasers under the same conditions. The unit offers both self-leveling mode, automatically leveling within plus or minus 4 degrees with flashing alerts when out of range, and manual mode for angled layouts, ideal for tasks such as wall tiling, picture hanging, and decor alignment. Built with durable ABS housing, it has an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, a 360 degrees magnetic bracket, 1/420 tripod compatibility, and comes with a carry bag for portability. With an accuracy of plus or minus 3 mm at 10 m, is almost equal to 1/8 inch at 33 feet, and powered by 2 AA batteries. The Motavara LLT2 is a reliable and convenient choice for DIY enthusiasts and light trade applications.